Alright guys, I am on my trip to Tokyo. I'm at a lounge right now, and check this out. This is the Aspire Lounge. Pretty cool. So I got a free pass, so I was gonna use it up. So at the airport, and I'll see what kind of selections there. Alright, so I picked up some Perrier and a fruit cup. That was the only thing that was dairy free. So alright, so these are some of the selections they have.
Hold on. Can you get two? Yeah, I'm gonna get two. I only want a little bit to give it to me.
Alright guys, I just got in. It's like 6:30 Tokyo time. I'm in the Radisson here, and it's like 2 a.m. my time, so I'm really tired. This is the washroom. Show you guys what it looks like. It doesn't have it has one of those fancy toilet seats. So take a look at this. I don't know, it says something on there. It's in Japanese. Yeah, I don't know, it's got a sensor on it, so that's pretty cool. And then you got your... Oh, look at this. Yeah, see, there's the... I don't know, it squirts water if you want it, so it's pretty cool. And your TV, bed, and there we go. It's really dark, and I'm super tired, so yeah, that was the day. Alright. Stay tuned for more videos. I'm walking around Narita right now, trying to get some food. The hotel only has the all-you-can-eat, like not all-you-can-eat, but all-American burgers and like chicken fingers. So stuff that I don't really want to eat. So we're gonna check this out. Hopefully, there's a restaurant up here somewhere that is good. I didn't bring a lot of cash with me, so hopefully they'll take credit cards. Alright, so I'm at this restaurant. They have these barbecuing dishes, and they also have ramen. So I'm gonna order the ramen and probably one of the barbecue dishes. So we got a salad here, and this is a sort of like a toasted sesame vinaigrette, and this is the barbecue. Meat. This is pretty good actually, the salad.
Oh yeah.
So it comes with all these other meats that you're supposed to cook onto this grill. Alright guys, I'm in Japan at the hotel room, so this is my view from the hotel. You can see all the people down here. We'll zoom in. Oh, I can actually zoom in pretty good. Look at that. Alright, so there's houses in the back. And yeah, I don't know, it looks neat, so see if I can head into Tokyo today. So we'll see. There's a building in the background. Alright guys, picked up some sushi at the local convenience store, and they use little rice balls. I'm gonna do a quick taste test. Just as a salmon. Alright guys, so I'm on my way to Tokyo, and